Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up the booster set Lightning Overdrive. We're a couple booster sets behind. You guys have already seen King's Court at this point, which came out after this. Didn't get this one filmed and uploaded in time. Just a little bit busy, but wanted to make sure I get these filmed. I actually do have two boxes of Lightning Overdrive. I do have one that I've set up with the little deal here, doing the little display kind of breakdown. So we'll have 48 packs worth of it to open and go through and see if we can get any good pulls. Good number of ultra rares in this. There are 10 secret rares, and there are, I think, 5 Starlight rares in this set as well, including a Starlight Black Rose Dragon, and I think Lina the Light Charmer, I think, are the two big ones. Maybe a couple other ones, Book of Lunar Eclipse, maybe. We'll have to see. Hopefully we'll pull them and we won't have to guess as to what there are. So let's get down to it, see if we get any good pulls, and we'll do the little pull these out. 2 boxes, divvy them up. Making the, call this making a crinkly paper mess, part 1. It's half the fun, is, okay, let's see where, all right, now we're talking. First pack, and we pull an ultra rare, Amazement Attendant Comica. Way to start. Good way to start. Put that one off to the side. So 5 cards in. That's where we're hiding the ultra rares. Looks like we're boosting the roses decks. Keep the streak up. Generally it's like 3 ultra rares per box is how they tend to break out, but you know, if they want to throw in, 8 for me, I'll gladly take that. Oh, Spring-Ins coming back. All right, Tri-Brigade being the Spring-Ins booty. It says booty. Laugh reactions in the comments only. Garden Rose Flora being the super rare there. Zexals as well in this pack. I mean, we're starting with a hot start though. We made first pack, ultra rare. War Rock Winto. Man, that's a tongue twister for a super rare. Binary Blader. One of these days. I mean, with enough of these packs, we're gonna pull something good. Something secret rare. We got Ruddy Rose Witch, more roses being the thing. Ice Barrier. You want to build an Ice Barrier deck, go with that Freezing Chains starter deck, structure deck. Sorry. Come on. Secret rare, Starlight rare, something. Oh my god, Bujin Condescence. That's a game right there. Amaze, Attraction, Majestic, Merry-Go-Round. Proof of Proofless, being our super rare. They did a good job though in this pack, actually, or in this set. It looks like we're not getting a cute little otter. All right, another ultra rare. This time it is Riliona, the Wondrous Magistus Witch Wardrobe. Whew, what a name. But we'll take it. 2 in the first 12. Will our luck hold up? Will our luck hold out? Add that to our pile. Oops, didn't show you the last card. And we're expecting we should get 6, basically minimum. But 2 in the first 12. That's rank up Magic Zexal Force, and then the rest of the cards not as thrilling. All right, we'll Sun Avalon Melius being our super rare. Anything else just being baseline. So we're gonna speed through these. Let you guys take a look. Ooh, ooh, this is one of them. This is one of them. Is this the Starlight? I don't know what the difference is. Oh my God. What is the difference between Starlight and Secret? This is one of them. This is one. I don't know the difference. I don't know the difference. This is at least a secret rare. Book of Lunar Eclipse. Putting this to the side. Putting this to the side. Pause. Pause. Okay. All right. This box is great. Penny sleeve. First, get my hard sleeve now. All right, we're gonna have to come back to this. This is either a true secret rare or this is a Starlight rare. One of the two, and I have no clue what the difference is. But that's within our first 12 cards. And we have a secret. I feel like Starlight rares have something to do on the side. I feel like they have more holographic artwork on them. But wow. Okay, so this is our first legitimate secret plus possibly pull that we've had ever, because all the other secret rares we've ever pulled have been set from secret only packs or where we were guaranteed to get them. So I'm going to put this off to the side because I have no clue which one of the two it is, but this is a win. I'm going to count this probably being the greatest pull we've had ever. Don't challenge me on that. Maybe in maximum gold, maybe like impermanent, infinite impermanence or something, but that's maximum gold. That doesn't count. That's guaranteed great cards. All right, S-Force Edge Raptor. We'll just go through these. We're gonna have to figure this one out at the end. Woo! I mean, if it's a secret rare, it's cool. I mean, it's definitely cool. It's cool either way. But if it's a secret rare, it's our first true legit one. If it's a Starlight rare, well, we don't even clearly know what it is. We're going to have an emotional regrouping here. But, whew. That was a prosperous first 12 packs right there. 2 ultra rares and secret plus is what we'll call it. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's Roxrose Dragon. I'll try to pick up through these amazement family faces. Then can't get a good glow there, being the super. Sure they don't hide anything in here, but all right. Dark Infant Agnister being super rare. It's Pin Transaction. Might be our 3. All came from, that's 12, and those are all on the left side of the box too. Oh, nope. We have Ultimate Dragonic Utopia Ray as another ultra rare in this box. Okay, this box is fruitful, bountiful in terms of ultra rares. That's 4 ultra rare plus pulls in a box thus far, and we've got 6 packs to go. The second box has a lot to live up to. That or this set is just beyond the walls and handing it out. Either way. It's like, did I pick the right one to buy 2 of? Zexal Construction. Oh man, you're not gonna believe this. This is unbelievable. This is a second Starlight and or Secret Rare, one of the two. Don't know. I apologize for that. Clearly was unprepared for this level of luck going into this, but we're gonna slip that one in there. I don't believe this one had a Starlight variant. I'm not entirely certain on that. Let's not quote me on that one either, but I know Lunar Eclipse had it as a possibility. I think this is just a secret, which does not diminish the fact that it is a secret rare, which makes 2 secret rares in one box. Warrock Meteor Dragon or Meteoragon. Hot damn, guys. 2 secret rares in a box. This is 1 booster box, 3 ultras, 2 secret rares. We're gonna say it's a secret rare for sake of argument right now. We'll go back and check in a minute. Absolute carnage. We are burning our luck. Someone buy me some Powerball tickets. Expendable die. We are burning our luck on these boxes here. All right, Tri-Brigade, Bear Brum, the Rampant, something. All right, let's see what we got going on. Let's see, we got one more. One more ultra rare to wrap out the box here, being this Amaze Attraction Horror House. Okay, so that would make 4 ultra rares in this box and 2 secret / starlight rares, depending on what that Book of Lunar Eclipse is. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then our 2 starlights thus far. Starlight secrets. Sorry, too excited. All right, put those to a side for now. I'm gonna pause real quick on the recording so that I can look up and determine whether we have starlight and or secret. All right, it's only been a few seconds for you guys, but I did look it up and confirmed this is just a secret rare, not to diminish its importance whatsoever. Starlight, I guess, applies this same pattern to everywhere but the text box. So I did learn that officially today. I've not known enough. You know, got to do your research. But really awesome to have pulled 2 of these in the same pack, plus 4 other ultra rares. So that's 6 ultra rare or better variants in a 24 pack box. So that's a quarter of the box being good pulls. Ultra rare better. That's not anything to laugh about. So let's see if box 2 can hold its own against box 1. Will be very interesting to see how this shakes down on that front, because I do not know what the breakdown is or how odd it is to get this many decent pulls in one batch. All right. So we shall see. All right, Springin's Merrymaker. An S-Force Edge Razor. These were the ones, you know, ended up spending these or buying these double to pick up some of those the OTS packs. It is Bujin Torafun. So definitely worth it, I guess, in the end to have picked up some dubs. Duplicates here. All right. Oh man, we pick up another here secret rare. This one I know is secret. I'm not even gonna fool myself into betting otherwise. Ruddy Rose Dragon is a secret rare in this set. So maybe this set gives out secret rares at a higher rate than the other ones. I know there are something like 10 within it, but we're not going to let increased odds of pulling it diminish the fact that we actually are getting them for real out of a pack that isn't guaranteed secret rares. Because thus far, that's the only way we've ever gotten them. So, Ruddy Rose Dragon. We want that Black Rose Dragon, though. That is definitely a Starlight rare in this set. Good little... Love these cards. I love the Starlight secret rare pattern. I guess they both have the same mosaic artwork. I think it looks good. Some people might think it kind of muddies the artwork, but it has the best kind of sheen in the light, I think, which we're all attracted to shiny objects in the end. All right. If you've bought these sets and pulled secret rares, I want to know what your success rate or turnover rate was. You know, pack to secret rare ratio. You know, this is gonna be 48 packs total, and I've got 3, which is currently 1/16. So I want to know what people are pulling. Conversion ratio, or whatever we want to call it. Let me know. Did Konami throw us a bone here? Give us some good. All right, another ultra rare White Knight of Dogmatica. So let me make sure I separate out this from the first set. So 2 of our second 6 are now pulling in ultra rares. This is 2 of our second 12, or 2 from our second box, and the first 12 have turned out ultra rare or better. Lavalol, X-Lord. Come on. Ooh, here we go. Another ultra rare. This is going to be a Maze Attraction Cyclocoaster as well. Ooh, I think this is one of the better ultra rares in the set too. Let's see. Pretty high up on the list, but that's now 3 of our second box in the first 12 have turned out ultra rare or better. We had 6 from the first box. So 4th. Woo! I mean, it probably means that these cards aren't high value in terms of like resale market, but you're looking just to pull them and get the thrill of pulling them, that's where it's at. This is what I'm after. I'm after, you know, as many shiny things as I can possibly get my hands on. All right, pack 36. All right, Tri-Brigade. That's one we've got. So thus far, 3 ultra rares in our set. Final 12. Can we get 3 more? Are we averaging 1 secret per 12? ZW. ZW was big in King's Court. Tying the sets together. Zexal. There we go. Amazing Time Ticket. An Amazing Time Ticket was one that also had a chance to be, well, wasn't, maybe not. Don't think so. But it is definitely a secret rare. So we are getting and averaging 1 secret rare per 12 set, or 12 packs. 1 from each half of the box. I'd like to thank Konami to, you know, if they want to throw a Starlight in, though, you know, I wouldn't be complaining. Zexal construction. And if anyone from, who can give some feedback to Konami, or if Konami ever gets, messages here, pull in an ultra rare. Got another one. This is going to be number 5 from this box, ZS Ascended Sage. Love to see it. If anyone from Konami or wants to pass this along, if you want to get people to buy more packs and more of a set, if I can pull 2 secret rares from every box, I'll buy the absolute hell out of them. Supreme Sovereign Serpent of Golgonda. It's like, that's how you get people to buy them. I don't think anyone especially if your target market, or if you're trying to get kids, and I think any kid buying in on this would be absolutely thrilled. Especially if this was like one-off packs. If you got something like this, if they're in this density and you're pulling them in a one-off, I mean, that would be the absolute thrill. All right, we're down to 3 packs. All right, Amazement Precious Park. Hoping for one more ultra rare, at least. Maybe pulling off one of the miraculous. There we go. S-Force Chase. It's an ultra rare from the set. There we go. That's our 4th one. Keeps us in line with the first box. 2 secret rares, 4 ultras. Last pack. Coming in big. Black Rose Dragon. Starlight Rare. Uh-oh. Oh, it's Lavalol, oh Lord. I saw that was a white card. Synchro Monster. Thought we had a chance. Would have been an absolute epic final pull there. So, Starlights, or Secret Rare, sorry. Ruddy Rose Dragon, an Amazing Time Ticket from the 2nd box. And from the 1st box, Book of Lunar Eclipse and War Rock Meteor Dragon. Being 2 great pulls. And then our ultra rares that we pulled from the beginning. I ended up slipping them during the pause break into some hard cases and penny sleeves. And then I'll slip these ones in after the video here, just as a recap. All right. Well, I appreciate you guys stopping in, watching the video. Really great to, get a pull 4 secret rares between 2 boxes. That's a great, set overall. Fantastic odds there. Let me know if you bought the boxes, what your conversion of packs to secret rares were. Like I said, we've got 12 ultra rares or better here from 48 packs, so that's 1/4 being our ratio breakdown from packs. So let me know if you did it better, worse, and we'll see what the breakdown was. Otherwise, I hope to catch you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Thank you.